So these are all Dulces collectible toys.
I want to go play, Mommy.
She does play with all of them. Depends what kind of a mood she is. Sometimes
Chicken, Mommy.
she grabs the chicken.
Chicken, Mommy. Yep.
She grabs it by the leg. Or another favorite one that she has. Oh, this one was her first one.
No, Mommy.
It's a little birdie. Birdie.
No, Mommy.
Okay, she doesn't want to play with Birdie. For some reason, these are her favorite.
Throw it, Mommy. Throw it.
That's crazy.
Throw. Yep. Let me put my toy away.
Good girl. Puts her toy back. And sometimes she likes her steak.
Yep. I want to play with steak.
So every time she wants to play,
No, Mommy.
she goes into this play area and she chooses her stuff. Oh, this is another favorite one she likes. Did you? Want to play with this one? I know she likes this one too.
No, I don't want to fetch, Mommy.
She played with this so much that they don't squeak no more.
That one don't work, Mommy. That's trash.